Hello and welcome to Vegan Meal Delivery Services. This is where you can learn about some of the best delivery services for vegans and families of vegans, like 22-Day Nutrition. Made popular by fitness and nutritionist Marco Borges and power couple Beyonce and Jay-Z. Here are a few of their pros and cons. Feel free to pause on any of these. Next up is Green Chef, one of the more popular ones available. Here are their pros. And a few of their cons. The next meal is fresh and lean. They have a variety of flavors and such. Here's their pros and cons. Very few cons. But what most families like is the variety of food available and snacks. Not everyone is ready to jump full into being a vegan. So this is great for families who eat as vegans. Some folks want extra protein. There's also the keto, not to mention the paleo diet. And also, you can get all this in bulk. Awesome company.
Tonight we boldly go where no man, woman, or child has gone, well, for a good while now. Tonight we shake hands with pots and pans and take things step by step. Tonight we discover the past life of chicken fingers and find a new gravy boat in our trusty old mug. Tonight we cook, delivering delicious ingredients you'll love to eat, simple recipes you'll live to cook. Hello Fresh, get cooking.
Sometimes you want the adventure, but sometimes you want the shortcut. With Home Chef Fast and Fresh, all you need is a microwave or oven. And just enough time to heat, eat, and repeat. Who said food can't be fast and home-cooked? Probably someone who never tried Fast and Fresh. Effortlessly create home-cooked meals like a pro, with no prep and no mess. Delicious, meat simple. Get $80 off your first month at homechef.com.
With Bistro, you get a ton of just warm and eat meals. The only thing though, some don't like, is you gotta order them all up front. But yet, it's really good. And last is Vegging Out. Lots of good stuff about this company, so much so that we recommend you do pause. Look at that. So this is all. Thank you very much for watching.